Guys!
What?
The office is getting attacked. We need to protect the office.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go. Let's go.
Quick.
Employee of the year.
Yeah, this guy.
I think it's
this
him.
guy. This guy.
Oh, no way. Yeah, he's good.
Yeah, and his girlfriend.
No! Iron Man!
Iron Man! Why? Oh. Whoa! Wait.
Iron Man, where are you? Coming. Let's go. We have to find that bastard.
Let's go. Before he hurts anybody.
What if he hurts us and we'll die? No.
No, that's not possible. That's not possible. I think. Help me! Guys, please help me! Help me!
Where are you? Good job, Iron Man.
Iron Man! Thanks for saving me! Put that on your back.
Oh no.
Hulk. I'm gonna raid you. No. Let's go.
Let's go, guys.
Iron Man.
Hulk.
Guys, that place is suspicious.
Oh. Yeah, good boy.
Yay! We win!
What?
Arrow.
Mike.
Let's go. Yeah, but I heard
We saved the office, guys.
Yeah, I think there are more of them.
No.
Yeah, we
Where?
need to kill every one of them. Yeah, let's go. Let's go.
Come on.
Wait,
Let's go.
something isn't right.
I don't like.
Guys, Jump Pork is calling. Guys,
Shut up, we go.
Jump Pork is calling. Good job! Iron Man saves the day.
Let's celebrate!
Yay! No! Guys! No, let's celebrate!
Ow!
Yeah, we saved the office. Yeah, but I heard I heard something in the mines. Like, I think the mines is also attacked.
No way! Really? Oh
Yeah.
my holy.
Okay, let's go!
Where is that spider?
What's that
I'm
in
gonna
your
show
hand?
him.
What's that in your
I'm
hand?
gonna show him my full power mode.
Why do you have an RPG?
He's cooked. No, this is my. No more spider.
What?
I used my intellectual choice.
Yeah, but I heard that there are more spiders, so we gotta kill every of them.
Oh, we cooked. So I think
I found.
Let's find the spider.
Yeah. I think. Follow me. Oh. No! A spider! Iron Man!
Iron Man!
Iron Man! We gotta kill him! We gotta kill him! Wait, kill him! Where are you? Show yourself! Show yourself!
Stupid bastard!
No!
Yeah, good job.
Yay!
Such a good boy.
No!
Alright,
Please!
let's go! We saved the day!
Yeah, but there are even more monsters down here.
No!
I think this way. What is this place?
Oh.
What is this?
Oh.
Oh my god! What is this? Please help me! Iron Man!
No, 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 no.
Huh? Me? I'm not gonna die. Yeah! Oh no! Oh no! Hulk! We died! Hulk, please help us! Hulk, we died!
I kill everybody.
Guys, I'm gonna go explore.
No, wait!
No.
Wait!
I have a private conversation with one of my besties.
No, please! No, I heard that, the series is getting attacked again!
No, not again. Wait,
What
My
are you
bestie
doing?
is
Where
calling
are you
me.
going? Come back! No! Please come back! Come back! No!
My friend called me. He's in danger.
Okay, then let's play. Come here. Come here. I want to show you a magic trick. You see this? You see? You see this? What happened to you? I'll kill you! I'm gonna kill you! I'll kill you! Let's kill him! The city! We need to protect the city!
guys, I
What
got
did you do to us? What to us? How could
I
you
got
do
corrupted. I got corrupted.
that? What?
Hello.
Yo,
Captain America! Captain
What?
America! Captain America!
Captain America.
Oh my god, we have every member of the Avengers! Oh my god!
Wait, did you say the sewers are getting attacked?
Let's celebrate! Let's celebrate!
Avengers.
Let's celebrate!
alright, Avengers, assemble. Let's go to. Let's go to the
Yeah,
sewers
but the
to
series is
protect
getting
them.
attacked. Yeah, it's getting attacked by a lot of anglerfish, and we have to protect it right now.
I'm saving the sewers. Guys, 10 bucks.
Guys, no, you don't have to do it. That's it. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna get revenge.
Avengers, assemble.
Iron Man.
Or we can do that.
Iron Man.
Iron Man.
Wait, what? Hulk! Hulk! Guys! Hulk! No! Look at him! He was a great guy! No! Please!
Die.
I'm gonna kill!
Let's go.
Let's play football.
That's it! You're getting killed! You're getting killed! Uh-oh. Die!
Guys.
No!
Avengers, assemble.
Hulk? Hulk?
Get over here.
No! No!
Don't be silly. What? Wait,
Iron Man! Iron Man!
Yeah.
yours.
We need to save the... Where is Hulk? Where is Hulk? Hulk! Hulk! Please come! Oh. No! We have failed to protect the sewers.
Yeah, maybe we'll do that next episode.
Bye, guys.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye!